This is Mop, a cheerful Pomeranian who always wears a smile. He has been warming his human's heart with 10 golden years of companionship. Until one day, Mop crossed the rainbow bridge. His human said she just wants to hear his bark one more time. So we painstakingly recreated Mop's likeness in needle-felted wool, thread by thread preserving the memory of that wagging tail and bright eyes.
Mom, I miss you.
When AI made Mop speak, she cried like a child.